Alright, retro gamers, let's get straight to the point. Is the Retroid Pocket 6 really worth the $244 price tag? Or is it just another overhyped handheld? I've spent the last week diving deep into the Retroid Pocket 6, and here's the honest truth. First off, don't worry, it's definitely legit. Retroid's been around for a while, and they've built a solid reputation in the retro handheld scene. This isn't some fly-by-night operation. Now, availability's been a bit up and down. The first units shipped out back in January, and as of March, a second batch is making its way to new owners. But let's talk about that infamous price hike. Because of a global memory shortage, the beefier 12GB RAM model is discontinued. What you're getting now is the 8GB RAM, 128GB storage version for $244. Yeah, it stings, but you are getting some serious hardware. Performance? The Pocket 6 packs a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and Adreno 740 GPU. This thing flies through PS2, GameCube, and even some Switch games without breaking a sweat. And that 5.5-inch AMOLED screen? It's gorgeous. 120Hz refresh, deep blacks, and vibrant colors that make every pixel pop. Battery life is solid. I got around 4 to 6 hours on heavy gaming sessions, and up to 12 hours if I stuck to lighter classics. Fast charging gets you back in the game quick, and you can even limit charging to 80% to keep your battery healthy. I also love the customizable controls. You pick if you want the D-pad or joystick up top when you order. Plus, Hall effect joysticks mean no more stick drift drama. But it's not perfect. The plastic shell feels a bit bland, and there's less grip on the back compared to the RP5. It's kinda slippery. Also, it runs Android 13, so be ready to spend some time setting up emulators and front ends like Daigisho. Bottom line? If you want a powerful, versatile handheld and don't mind a bit of setup, the Retroid Pocket 6 is absolutely worth it. Just be ready for that steeper price.